Welcome back to another video by Chimera Wargaming. Today it's a new almost daily vlog. Today I just assembled some Kharadron Overlords and want to show you. It is a little warband for my friend, and after I want to assemble this another company. But it's not finished, because I have another big box of Kharadron Overlords to assemble. I want to finish this miniature maybe until next month, because there's more miniatures. I want to show you. This is a big box of Kharadron. It's a spare head. It's a full of miniature. But never mind, Stefano, just assemble. Okay, see you soon for another almost daily vlog, and see you soon and happy weekend. Bye.